Alright, so we go to the backyard. All the hot tub chemicals,
And it tore the topping off of the...
Yeah. It's,
Oh man.
I know the Tupperware's gone.
This is a very pretty pot, huh?
Oh, the hot tub. As you can see. Tore apart the canopy that we had put up. There's broken pots everywhere. There's a downed tree again. The house. There's another one, if you can see in the back, that came down where there's some green. But here's the tree that came down the backyard, and by the grace of God, literally, it didn't fall in the house. And it tore the shed off the door.
We had the worst of it.
And here's another tree that's almost fell over. It needs its top branch cut down. Another good wind will blow that right off. There's the third tree over there, too. Came down. Everything's soaked.
Nothing you see the waterproof.
Ooh, there's just tons of water everywhere. Yeah. There's the door. There's the storage shed. Stuff. Don't, Shan.
Oh, there's the bug zapper.
Yeah. There's the other tree. This one came down to the neighbor's yard too. Get that cleaned up.
Yeah, we're probably mad about that, huh? We should give them a closer look of that tree.
Dogs were okay though.
You should give them a closer look of that tree.
The generator running. And we moved all the patio furniture over to the side of the house, but there's a Chris's canopy he just bought that's all broken now.
But
don't know why he left it up. Yeah.
The big one survived. That's good.